Here comes Sebastian, who's up there at the top.
This way. Big pizza. Good job.
Here he goes. Look at him go. Hey, Dominic. Hey, Dominic. Dominic, would you like to have a turn skiing? Yeah?
French fries. I mean, pizza.
Hey, cutie. You want to turn skiing too? Let's watch and see what your brother's doing. Let's see. See if we can see him up there. There he is. Whoa. You want to say hi? You want to see? You want to see Sebastian on there? Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Oh, careful! Don't push. Don't push it. No, honey. You see him? Here he comes in real life. Good job, Sebastian! Look at that, no tears. That's already an improvement from last year. Good job, buddy. Way to go.
Shuffle forward. Let's try to shuffle all the way to the ski lift, okay? Thank you for taking the video.
Good work, Sebastian. You're already so much better than last year. Last year you were a lot more scared. Good job.
Good job, Sebastian.